What's up, guys? What's going on? We got another video for you today. We're going to talk about what is TRON coin, TRX. This is the ultimate explanation for beginners, decentralized content sharing platform in 2025. Let's get into it. Introduction to TRON. Imagine a world where creators share videos, music, and art directly with fans without companies taking a cut. That's the dream behind TRON, a blockchain platform launched in 2017 by entrepreneur Justin Sun. TRON aims to build a decentralized internet where content flows freely and users control their data. Its native cryptocurrency, TRX, powers this ecosystem. By 2025, TRON has grown into a major player in crypto, with over 200 million accounts and a market cap of about $12 billion. It's not just about content anymore. It's a hub for fast, cheap transactions and decentralized apps, dApps. For beginners, blockchain is like a digital ledger that's secure and transparent. No single person controls it. Instead, it is run by a network of computers. TRON uses this tech to cut out middlemen like YouTube or Spotify, letting creators earn directly from fans using TRX. A brief history of TRON. TRON started as a token on Ethereum, but launched its own blockchain in 2018. Justin Sun, a former Ripple developer, raised $70 million through initial coin offering, ICO. A big move was acquiring BitTorrent in 2018, a popular file sharing service to boost decentralized content distribution. Over the years, TRON has shifted from pure content focus to broader uses like finance and gaming. In 2021, it became Decentralized Autonomous Organization, DAO, governed by its community. Justin Sun stepped down as CEO, but controversies linger, including SEC lawsuits over unregistered securities in 2023. How TRON works. TRON runs on delegated proof of stake, DPoS, where users vote for super representatives to validate transactions. This makes it fast, handling up to 2,000 transactions per second with almost no fees. Instead of gas fees like Ethereum, users get free bandwidth points daily or stake TRX for more. Smart contracts, self-executing code, power dApps on TRON. It's compatible with Ethereum tools, making it easy for developers to build. The network uses TRON Virtual Machine for running programs securely. The role of the TRX token. TRX is the feel of TRON. Use it to pay for transactions, stake for voting power, or earn rewards. Holders can freeze TRX to get TRON power for electing representatives. In 2025, TRX trades around 28 cents to 32 cents with predictions of up to 58 cents by end of year. It's key for stablecoin transfers like USDT, making TRON a go-to for cheap global payments. Decentralized content sharing on TRON. TRON's core idea is empowering creators through BitTorrent and tools like BTFS, BitTorrent File System. Users share files peer-to-peer without servers. Creators monetize via TRX tips or NFTs. In 2025, it's evolving. Gaming apps, dApps, and play-to-earn models thrive, but the killer app for content is still emerging. TRON supports Web3, the next internet phase, with tools for dApps and smart contracts. Tron in 2025. Strengths and challenges. By 2025, Tron excels in DeFi and stablecoins, handling billions in USDT volume. Its low cost attracts users in Asia and beyond. Roadmap includes P2P peer-to-peer upgrades for better stability and scalability. Partners like with Google Cloud boost credibility. However, critics call it an Ethereum clone with less innovation. It's faced scrutiny for illegal use, like money laundering through Tron DAO disputes, control over open tech. Competition from Ethereum and Solana is fierce. Conclusion. Tron TRX is a beginner-friendly gateway to decentralized content and finance. In 2025, it's a stablecoin powerhouse with content roots, offering speeds and affordability. Whether you're a creator or an investor, Tron shows blockchain potential to reshape the web. Start small, get a wallet by TRX, and explore its depths. The future is decentralized. Tron invites you to join. Alright. Well, I'm not so sure about Tron personally. That's not one of my investments, but I mean, do whatever you would like to do, but always do your own research. Not a financial advisor here, just to let you know. Got to give you that disclaimer. Anyway, if you are investing in Tron or interested in investing in Tron, maybe explain down below in the comment section why you invested or why you want to invest in it. I would like to hear your input. Also, if you guys want to check out my sponsors, I have affiliate link down in the description. It's that simple.bio link. If you click it, there's all my affiliate links there. Once you click that, you can get free crypto by signing up at exchanges and just depositing very small amounts and get large amounts of crypto for doing so. So go check it out. Also, you might want to secure your crypto with a hardware wallet. Because it's not really safe to keep it on exchanges, in my opinion. So check it out. There's also a link for that. Just go to the simple.bio link down in the description and also at the homepage of this YouTube channel. I hope you guys learned something today about Tron, and let me know what you think down in the comments. Smash the like, subscribe, share out with your friends, and peace out till next time.